It is necessary to back up photos from iPhone because of different reasons ranging from security to the creation of storage space. Whatever the reason, you need to choose a method that lets you back up photos on iPhone easily and fast. This can be difficult given the many options available. Tip 1. How to back up photos from iPhone to computer with professional backup tool effectively. Mobikin Assistant for iOS when Mac is no doubt one of the best ways to back up photos from iPhone to computer. Open Mobikin Assistant for iOS on your computer. Connect iPhone via USB. Authorize the connection by tapping Trust on iPhone, then click Continue. In the program, navigate to Photos, select and tick items. Tap Export to back up iPhone photos to PC or Mac. Tip 2. Back up photos from iPhone to PC with AutoPlay. Step 1. Access the control panel through the Start button, then open Hardware and Sound before finally getting to AutoPlay. You could also type in the word AutoPlay in the search box, then click it when comes up. Step 2. Connect iPhone to PC via USB cable. Step 3. AutoPlay will show up automatically with options of possible actions to be taken. Choose Import Pictures and Videos. The rest you need to do is to select the photos that you wanted and click Import to back up them to PC. Tip 3. Backup photos from iPhone with Windows 10 Mac Photos app. Connect iPhone to computer via USB, ensuring trust. Open Photos app, search if needed, click Import. Choose from a USB device. Select Pictures. Click Import selected. Photos are stored on the computer. Tip 4. Backup photos from iPhone by drag and drop. Connect iPhone to computer via USB. Open My Computer. Double-click iPhone icon. Navigate to Internal Storage DSIM Camera Roll. View Pictures. Drag to backup location. Select Small Batches for efficiency. Tip 5. How to back up photos from iPhone to iCloud Photo Library iCloud. Please go to Settings, your name iCloud Photos, turn on iCloud Photos to activate an auto backup. Tip 6. How to back up photos from iPhone to iTunes. Connect iPhone to computer via USB. Open iTunes. In iTunes, select Device. Go to Summary. Choose This Computer. Check Encrypt Backup for passwords. Click Backup now. Done. Tip 7. Backup photos from iPhone to Google Photos. Install Google Photos on iOS. Sign in. Enable backup. Menu settings, turn on backup and sync. Allow access in iPhone settings, privacy photos for Google Photos to back up your photos.